Most people get this wrong when choosing between Wyoming LLC and Delaware LLC. They hear these names online and assume one is always better than the other. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The best state depends entirely on your business type, not popularity. In this video you'll learn the real differences between Wyoming LLC and Delaware LLC in 2026, so you can choose the right structure without wasting money or making legal mistakes. Let's start with Wyoming. Wyoming LLCs are known for low costs and strong privacy. You don't need to publicly list owners in most cases, and annual fees are very low. Imagine someone like Alex, an online freelancer running a digital agency. He wants minimal paperwork and low maintenance. Wyoming fits perfectly for that kind of simple, remote business. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wyoming is also very tax-friendly. There is no state corporate income tax. That makes it attractive for small online businesses and solo entrepreneurs. But here's the problem. Wyoming is not always trusted the same way by big investors or traditional U.S. partners compared to Delaware. Now let's talk about Delaware LLCs. Delaware is the corporate hub of the United States. Most large companies and startups use Delaware because of its legal system. It has a specialized court called the Court of Chancery, which handles business disputes quickly and predictably. Jake, a startup founder trying to raise funding, would likely choose Delaware. Why? Because investors prefer it. Venture capital firms are familiar with Delaware structures, which makes fundraising smoother. But here's the trade-off. Delaware can be more expensive when you include franchise taxes and compliance costs. It is also more complex compared to Wyoming for beginners. Now let's compare them directly. Wyoming is best for low cost, privacy, and simple small businesses. It is ideal for freelancers, digital entrepreneurs, and solo founders who want a lightweight structure. Delaware is best for startups, investors, and companies planning to scale or raise funding. It is built for business credibility and legal predictability. This is where most people fail. They choose Delaware just because they heard it is the best, even when they don't need it. Or they choose Wyoming without realizing it may not be ideal if they plan to raise investment later. So what should you do? If you are starting small, running an online business, or working solo, Wyoming is usually the smarter choice. If you are building a startup with investors or long-term scaling plans, Delaware is often worth the extra cost. The key takeaway is simple. Wyoming saves money and keeps things simple. Delaware gives you structure and credibility for growth. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment your business